Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. I want everyone out there ukuthi ame ngamadolo. This weekend sonke sima ngamadolo. I won't tell you why this Easter holiday or this Good Friday always changes. On this date, it's on this date. Each and every year, it's on different dates. Sometimes on a different month. In March, most of the time in April. I will never tell you why. God, what I will tell you is that during this holiday kuningi okwenzakalayo empilweni zabantu spiritually. Kuhle uNkulunkulu makasasibonisa, kuhle uNkulunkulu makasasikhanyisela. And this message today is informed by the vision that I had this morning. You know, I had a vision and what I'll tell you is that the visions that I've been having lately is when people are offering me food, but somehow I take that food, put it in a wardrobe, put it in a cupboard. Like I never get to a point where I can take the food, sit down and eat. Already when God shows you that and wakes you up in the wee hours, already you must know that you are under attack. They are attacking you. But even this morning, it was not food, but it was a drink. I tell you, it was like you were in an event and then drinks are being served. But how are these drinks served? You need to go to the counter. Like there's just a counter where they pour the drink for you. Icy, greenish. Like it's a flavorful drink. And everyone is drinking. It looks nice. It looks, but lapayana, you had to take out some money and all of that. But guess what? Mina mangizofika phambili in that counter where this lady was supposed to pour a drink for me. I think there was something wrong with my card or what. Then she instructed me to say, you go that side to go and fix whatever, and then you'll come back. When she's supposed to pour that drink for me, Haibo Osis akazange ayithele i-drink. Like kwaba khona nje into emdileyayo ngaphaphama. Kodwa mangiphaphama, where I was at, I was like, why was she delaying? But when I'm sitting right now after my praying session, God is like, yay, be careful. And there was something in particular that God showed me. This very specific person is still behind me. Kunabantu abasha ngathi abakubhekanga kodwa bakubhekile. Number one. Kunabantu abalindele leso sikhathi where you are going to say you are giving up. It's too soon for you to give up. Kunabantu abaqhubekile benza izinto ngobumnyama, abangamsaba uNkulunkulu, abathini hayi akangiboni. Oh yes, uNkulunkulu uyambona kodwa uthini? Yena lo engimyenza ububi akaboni. Guess what? The God that I am serving will show me what needs to be shown to me to say, do not relax. So I'm coming in this platform and saying, let us not relax. These past weekends, maybe we were relaxing, but leli vigi, bathi bahlomi ikhali, bathi bayaphehla, bathi bayachitha. You know where you are standing right now. I don't know where you are standing, but I know where I'm standing. I'm probably standing and I'm waiting for God to do something for me. You are probably standing now, Elapo. You want God to do something for you specific. You know specific. Kodwa inkosi thini phakama makaziwe uphakamise nabanye ukuthi kuleli viki kule weekend we've been relaxing in these other weekends. Yes, we will pray, but this coming weekend Can we pray? Can we pray? Can we hide and pray? Can we change? If when you had plans or hey, you are going to go and drink and do this and like be out and have fun, and you know your stresses, you know where your problems are at, like uyazazi ukuthi udinga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akwenzeleni. Even if a person can call you in last minute and say, hey, I'm inviting you on this, choose to cancel that person and stand on your knees, because of this week we are breaking those curses that they are renewing ngamagama wethu. Laba bathi bayasikesa kuleli viki, basifasa okugcina, yila khona ke baphelelwa amandla, yila khona ibopho zabo zihlepuka, ichitha abayichithayo ngamagama wethu, konke abakwenzayo okubi ngegama lakho. This is the weekend where you are just saying, I'm giving it my all. I'm giving it my all. Ukuthi Nkosi akungaphumeleli konke okubi okumnyama okwenziwa ngegama lami. Ngiyakubonga Moya Oyingcwele, ngiyakubonga Somandla ukuthi usangikhanyisela namhlanje usangikhanyisela. Oh, ngiyabonga Simakadese Zulu, ngiyabonga Moya Oyingcwele, ngiyabonga. Oh Nkosi, ngiyabonga ngakho konke usongenzela kona, nakho konke usasongenzela kona. Ngiyabonga Moya Oyingcwele. Oh, ungavumi ngami. Oh Messi olungileyo, mkhumbuze yiko ngisho ukuthi kuleli viki, oh, isabakaze bambona ke umuntu oactayo. Ngihleka kanje ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi akhehle ngihamba nawo. Uma sethi ke ayakhuleka, uzocabanga nokuthi aseyaperforma ke manje ngoba ayedlikihla. So nawe la ukhona, ilwa ngomkhuleko, ilwa asathi uyazama lo muntu kuphela, asathi uyakwenza lokho akwenzayo, ayisola nokuthi beke sakwenzelani ngoba wena uzobulwa. A lot of breakthroughs that I'm talking about with prayer, they are definitely coming. Ngiyacela, ngiyanxusa to everyone out there. You know your struggle. So choose. Khetha ke manje. Khetha ukuthi uzopushwa umoya. You will follow the crowd, or you will just say, no, this weekend, let me just pray. Uyazazi idingo zakho. You know your needs. Uyawazi ama-needs wakho. So ngiyacela, ngiyanxusa la umi khona, memeze umoya oyingcwele kule weekend. Memeze, hlala, uzinze. Laba bathi bakutrepile, laba bathi bakucuphile, laba bathi bakubekele, not with you. Hayi ngawe, because of abanye abantu abababekela ukuthi mhlambe bafe. Cha, bakubulale nje uphile. Ubone nje uqhubeka uloko lusogola. It is high time you prioritize yourself. It is high time, and prioritizing yourself, putting yourself first, is you saying, ithi ngihlale phansi, awuthi ngihlale phansi, ngikhuleke, ngike ngikhulume naye umvele nqa. Uma ungajwayelanga ukukhuluma naye, akube isiqalo kuleli viki, as we have entered in this new quarter of the year. It's April now, new quarter. Akasiqale kabusha. If ubonile ukuthi the first quarter ayikuphethanga kahle, you were just fighting. singena ku this new quarter, akube yibusiso, akube konke kulunga ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yakho, kwekhaya lakho konke okufisayo ukuthole, zonke izibopho, yonke into ophehlwa ngayo, yonke into ecindezelayo ayike ingaphumeleli this time, ayike ingaphumeleli. God is faithful. He is about to show his faithfulness in your life. So push your faith this weekend. Push, pray. Uxoshe lo moya omubi. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.